In this video, we'll show you how to customize, create, and send invoices in the Sage Accounting individual mobile app. Please note that these features are only available for paid users. First, let's explore how you can customize your invoices. To begin, press the profile icon, then select Invoicing settings. From the Design tab, you can add your business logo, which will automatically appear on all new invoices. The logo file must be less than 1 megabyte and in JPG, GIF, or PNG format. Press Upload a file, then choose to upload it from your files or photos. Once uploaded, your logo will appear here. To change or remove your logo, select the relevant option. Back in the Invoicing section, to further customize your invoices, go to the Default Details tab. From here, you can set the default due date, such as 30 days from the invoice date, to streamline invoicing. Select a default bank account for payments. Your account name, sort code, and account number will appear on invoices. Updating the details here will also update them in the banking section. Add payment instructions, such as default payment terms or a PayPal link. Customers can click links when viewing the invoice. Include a default footer message for additional details. Links can also be added here. These details will be pre-populated on every invoice, but can be edited on an individual basis when creating invoices. To save your changes, press Done. Now let's create a sales invoice. To do this, press Invoicing. In the Sales tab, you'll see a list of all invoices created. You can filter the list to show draft, unpaid, paid, or voided invoices. To create a new invoice, press the plus icon and select Create Sales Invoice. The invoice date defaults to today, but it can be changed by selecting it and choosing the relevant one from the calendar. Then select an existing customer or create a new one. Press Add an item and enter the item description, quantity, and price. Choose to save the item or save the item and add another if needed. To continue, press Next. Enter additional invoice details, such as a customer reference and an invoice summary. If a default due date is set in Invoicing settings, it will pre-populate here. Otherwise, you can enter it manually. Bank details and payment instructions will be pre-populated from settings, but can be edited per invoice if needed. If online payments are enabled, the toggle will be switched on, allowing customers to pay online. If you prefer not to offer this option, simply turn it off. The footer will also pre-populate from settings, but you can adjust it for individual invoices if needed. Review the information entered and save it as a draft to make changes later, or save it to finalize the invoice. The newly created invoice will now appear in the Sales tab. To send this invoice to the customer, simply press on it. Press the share icon and choose Share as PDF to email it or share through another method. Alternatively, press Share a link to generate a dynamic link. Once copied, share the link with your customer, enabling them to view and pay the invoice online if online payments are enabled. You've now learned how to customize, create, and send invoices in Sage Accounting Individual.